able to connect your TV HDMI from the computer to your computer and then extend your screen. You can be successful in this class without dual screen, but it's going to be challenging just mentally, because you're needing to see 2 or 3 things at one time. And that's the way that this industry is. In this industry, you will be working on 2 monitors at a time. Now you ask yourself, what is Power BI? Power BI basically, at the end of the day, is data visualization. It's building dashboards. If you don't know what a dashboard is, if you log into your utility site, your electric company, your water company, and there is a dashboard when you log in, there's a dashboard that says how much water or how much electricity you use over the last week, last month, last year. That's a dashboard, and basically that's what you're going to be building. That's what you're going to be creating using Power BI. You're creating data visualization. Now, there's a lot that goes with that, and I'm not going to go too deep into that right now. I just want to give you a broad view of what Power BI is and what Power BI looks like. What are you going to need? With your computer and with your monitor, you need to go to Google, and on Google you should, let's see, if we can get Google up. Let's go over to the screen. You're gonna Google, and this is one application you're gonna get, but you're gonna need something else first. So here, let's see here. You Google, and I want you to Google download SSMS 2019. Download SSMS 2019. And when you go to download SSMS 2019, this is what's going to pop up. I want you to go to download SQL Server, and I want you to download what's called SQL Server Management Studio. I'm not going to go too deep into what SQL Server Management Studio is, but at the end of the day, it's going to be a server. It's going to be a server. And on that server, you're going to be able to access databases. You're going to be able to access databases. So you're going to go to Google again, and you're going to type in download AdventureWorks 2012. You're going to download. You're going to download. Go to Google, and you're going to download AdventureWorks 2012. When you go to Google download, and you search download AdventureWorks sample database 2012, you're going to click that first link, and you're going to find the 2012 AdventureWorks 2012. You're going to download that. So SQL Server Management Studio, that's going to give you your server, and AdventureWorks 2012, that's going to give you your databases. One other thing you are going to need to do is you're going to need to, and it's not on my computer, so let me bring that up. Google Power BI desktop download. You are going to Google Power BI desktop download. Power BI desktop down. Just real quick, I do understand that everyone is not going to be interested in Power BI, but you're out there looking for a tech solution, a tech opportunity for you to get into, the way you can make that career change, that career pivot. So for those of you guys that are out there that are into looking for that tech change, I do have a free 30-day calendar, a 30-day calendar. As you can see here, it's 30-day. Well, it's not a 30-day calendar. It's a 30-day tech transition planner, and it gives you day by day for 30 days, day 1 through day 30, to where you can use these steps in order to determine what tech venture you may want to get into. So I just wanted to throw that out there real quick. If you're interested in this free 30-day calendar that I have, just go to the link below the link below in this video, and just click the link, follow the link, and we will get you over the 30-day tech transition planner. Just wanted to take a quick break to let you know that. Now let's get back over to the webinar. Download. This is probably the most important application we're going to be working with, because we're in the Power of the BI course, and we're going to be working with Power BI, the application, and Power BI is what we are going to need to download in order to do that. Any PC, you can download Power BI Desktop. Just go to Power BI, Google, download Power BI Desktop, and what I want you to do is go in and find that download button, Microsoft Power BI Desktop, and you are going to hit download, and Microsoft Power BI Desktop right here. You're going to download Microsoft Power BI Desktop. It is a free application. You do not have to pay for it. It is free. You're going to download it. And outside of that's it for what you're going to need to download for right now. There are some couple other things that you'll need to download in the future. Just one other site that you will probably need to become familiar with, and that site is portal.azure.com. That's portal.azure.com. That's not something that you're going to need to worry about right now, but if you have some free time, you can you can search portal.azure.com, where you can go to the link portal.azure.com. Don't sign up for anything as of yet. You could get confused and end up paying for something that you don't need to pay for. So don't do that just yet. But outside of that, that's pretty much it. I just want to, again, welcome you. I want to welcome you to the course, The Power of the BI. My goal is to put you in position within the next 12 weeks to put you in position to compete for a position in this industry, to attain a $90,000 to $120,000 in salary. If that's not good for you, shoot me a message again. Shoot me a message on Instagram and let me know that that's not something that you're interested in, and we'll just work on creating applications. But my goal is to try to put you in a position to compete for a $90,000 to $120,000 position in this industry. I think that's very doable. You definitely will have to complete this class. But it's going to be very intense. Again, you do not have to be a computer scientist. You do not have to be a computer engineer. You do not have to have a college degree in order to do so. And I'm telling you that because let me back up. I do have a college degree, but I do not have a college degree in this industry. It's a skill that I learned, and it's a skill that I've been teaching people just on the humbug, and now I'm teaching people just like you. You can be successful in this, and your career growth can change. Just to give you some idea, prior to me getting into this industry, I was an elementary school teacher. Prior to me getting into this industry, I was an elementary school teacher. I have quadrupled my income. Now, I'm going to stop there because somebody's going to say, well, how much were you making, and how much are you making now? That is a conversation for us to have. I do not have a problem with us having that conversation, but we will have that conversation on a one-on-one and in a very candid conversation. But what I'm telling you is, I quadruple my income. Now, I don't know what that means for you. If quadrupling your income is the same as me quadrupling mine, but if you want to get into a position where you can compete for a position from $90,000 to $120,000 a year, I'm telling you, you can do it, and even more. Trust me. You can make a lot more, but that's what I'm talking about on an entry level. Again, my name is Tarad. I'm the founder, owner, creator of the Power of the BI, and I look forward to working with you for the next 16 weeks. Have a good day.